Welcome to Health Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed. Dear students of Standard 4, today we will try to solve some questions from Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. You will have only 10 seconds for assuming the correct answer. Now ready for the educational journey. Best of luck. Question number 1. Who was the Emperor of Vijayanagar? First option, Adil Shah. Second option, Nizam Shah. Third option, Krishna Dev Rai. Fourth option, Emperor Akbar. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Krishna Dev Rai. Question number 2. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. First option, ancient. Second option, medieval. Third option, modern. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is medieval. Question number 3. Who was the Sultan of Ahmednagar? First option, Nizam Shah. Second option, Krishna Dev Rai. Third option, Emperor Akbar. Fourth option, Adil Shah. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Nizam Shah. Question number 4. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. First option, Madhya Pradesh. Second option, Maharashtra. Third option, Bihar. Fourth option, Uttar Pradesh. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Maharashtra. Question number 5. Who was the Sultan of Bijapur? First option, Krishna Dev Rai. Second option, Nizam Shah. Third option, Emperor Akbar. Fourth option, Adil Shah. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Adil Shah. Question number 6. Find the odd man out. Swaraj, slavery, freedom. First option, freedom. Second option, Swaraj. Third option, slavery. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is slavery. Question number 7. How many years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free? First option, 100. Second option, 200. Third option, 300. Fourth option, 400. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is 400. Question number 8. Who were the Deshmukhs and Deshpandes? Who owned Jagirs in Maharashtra? First option, kings. Second option, sultans. Third option, watandars. Fourth option, freedom fighters. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is watandars. Question number 9. What is a genre of Marathi poetry that emerged during the late 17th century in India? First option, the Pavada. Second option, the Ghazal. Third option, the Marsiya. Fourth option, the novel. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is the Pavada. Question number 10. Find the odd man out. Akbar, Krishnadev Rai, Nizam Shah. First option, Akbar. Second option, Krishnadev Rai. Third option, Nizam Shah. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Nizam Shah. Question number 11. Shivaji Maharaj established dash Swaraj. First option, Hindavi. Second option, Adil Shahi. Third option, Nizam Shahi. Fourth option, British. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Hindavi. Question number 12. The constant fighting between the watandars made the people ruled by them. Dash. First option, happy. Second option, unhappy. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is unhappy. Question number 13. On what principles Hindavi Swaraj is based? First option, justice only. Second option, fair play only. Third option, equal treatment to people only. Fourth option, all of these. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is all of these. Question number 14. Find the odd man out. People, subjects, king. First option, people. Second option, king. Third option, subjects. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is king. Question number 15. In which region Mughal Emperor Akbar looked after the welfare of their subjects? First option, in the north. Second option, in the south. Third option, in the east. Fourth option, in the west. Year, time, stars,
now. Correct answer is in the north. Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.